Hi, thanks for checking out my channel here on one of our videos. This is going to be hopefully a repair video on a Kencove EK1H. This is a pretty small unit. It's a 1 joule output, and it does carry a 3-year warranty, which is kind of nice. Don't get these in all that often for repair, so this will be kind of a treat to figure out how to work on it. See what it needs for parts and stuff. Let me read the note on it. Ooh. Does not enough voltage output. So what's that mean? A transformer? Let's just take a peek here and see. Alright, well here's the information right here. If you got one of these things you'd like to send to us for repair. We work on all brands and ages of electric fence boxes. We also give you free estimates. And when we work on something and that's out of warranty and it's 15, 30 years old, whatever age it is, we give a 1.5 year warranty on our repairs. So let's go and plug this in. Turn it on. Well, so far so good. Now, yep, look, that's a very little output. It's most likely a transformer issue or a connection problem, something. I don't see what I'm doing a little bit. Let's take the screws out the back. This particular unit's in warranty. So whatever's wrong, this will be covered by the customer. Come on. Is there a hidden screw somewhere? God. Come on. I'm gonna get too carried away. See if there's any. I feel like it's being held together more screws than just these two that are on the back. See if there's any. If I feel any. And sometimes there'll be a hidden screw under a little cap somewhere. I don't feel anything. I feel like it's gonna break if I keep trying to pry on it. How in the hell do you get this apart? I don't want to break it. Come on, damn it! I don't want to score it up too much trying to take it apart. Sure, there's nothing. Doesn't look like that would keep it from coming apart. Feel anything like an indentation or recessed hole hiding anywhere. Nothing on there. You would think take the 2 screws loose and the thing would pop right apart, but no, not that easy. Oh, there we go. Oh, I think these little clippy things that are holding it. Okay, well, so we probably need a transformer. Oh. It's connected okay on there. Let's see, I don't want to get shocked by this board. Just lift it up out of here. Alright, let's get this transformer out of there. And it's stuck in there good. See if I got another transformer for this thing. Whew, lucky I've got one. I actually got two of these in stock. So let's temporarily plug up a new one to it. So black and white, or black and yellow, right over here. And then we'll put our tester on a red and blue and see if the voltage spikes up. If it does, we know that transformer was our issue. Put that back in there and then put it back together. If it doesn't, then we know there's an issue in the board somewhere. So let's take the power cord here. Up here. Oh yeah. There we go. 9,500 volts. Alright, turn it off. Plug that. Unhook this. Let's see if it's like red on the left, blue on the right. So whatever is wrong with that is why the transformer went bad, or is why the unit wouldn't work right. Not sure why the transformer is bad, but all right, now I got to grab this board without getting shocked. Let's get the transformer sits in like that. I think we've got to reroute one of those wires this way. Let's pull this board back up. Let's unplug this wire here. I don't want to get shocked by the board, by capacitor. So it's going to go underneath. I don't even know if I needed to unplug that. Maybe I did. Maybe I didn't. All right, tighten that up. Wire like that. Hopefully this board will just sit back nicely where it needs to go. That. everything just like that. Tuck these wires down inside here. Just plug it back in. We'll make sure that that red light's still over the little spot it's supposed to be at. Put a tester across it. Make sure it's still getting good power. Alright, well this unit's good. We'll put the washers back on, put the red knob on the right, because that's a fenced hot terminal or hot symbol lightning bolt etched into the plastic. The green one's the ground, which is on the left, the ground symbol etched into the plastic. So this one's ready to go. We'll write them up. This one's under warranty, but so it's no charge. We'll write it up anyway so we have it in the system. And we'll get this back to the customer, and then we'll move on to the next one. So hopefully this helped you out. Got a little understanding how some of the stuff looks like on the inside, how they work a little bit. And until next time, we'll see you guys later on.